and I'm making a video of how to install Smart Retract's Retract-A-Gates. I got two for my friend. We're going to be installing one at the top of this staircase and then another at the top of the second staircase. And the tools I use are a power drill. These are the drill bits. I've got a box cutter to open up the packaging, a screwdriver, measuring tape, pencil for marking, and a level. For this install, I also got the optional wall spacers because this banister has a lip here, so there's going to be a gap, and we're going to need to use spacers up here and down here. I marked my drill holes here for the top bracket. Then I use a 1/8 drill bit. And I do about 3.5 inches. And then here's where we're going to be using the wall spacer kit. So I'm just first putting it down here so I have a reference point that it'll clear this part of the banister. Looks like 4 spacers is what we need. And you don't want to over tighten the screws. So I pretty much stop right when they're snug. And then we're going to use 4 wall spacers on the bottom because we have 4 on the top. These 2 brackets are installed. Now we need to install the other 2 over here. 30.5 inches from the ground is the bottom. I like to do 3.5. Now we're ready to attach the Retract-A-Gate itself. There we go, installed.